D. I shall, we shall. Normally we use shall only with I and we. You can say I shall or I will. We shall or we will. I shall be late this evening or I will be. We shall probably go to France in June or we will probably go. In spoken English, we normally use I'll and will. Will probably go to France. The negative of shall is shall not or shan't. I shan't be here tomorrow or I won't be. Do not use shall with he, she, it, you, they. She will be very angry, not she shall be. Exercises 22.1. Which form of the verb is better in these sentences? The verbs are underlined. Diane isn't free on Saturday. She'll work. She is working. She is working is correct. 2. I'll go. I'm going to a party tomorrow night. Would you like to come too? 3. I think Amy will is getting the job. She has a lot of experience. 4. I can't meet you this evening. A friend of mine is coming to see him. 5. A. Have you decided where to go for your holidays? B. Yes, we are going to Italy. 6. Don't be afraid of the dog. It won't hurt. It isn't hurting you. 22.2. Put in will or won't. 22.2. Putting will or won't. 1. Can you wait for me? I won't be long. 2. Don't ask Amanda for advice. She knows what to do. 3. I'm glad you are coming to see us next week. It'd be good to see you again. 4. I'm sorry about what happened yesterday. It happened again. 5. You don't need to take an umbrella with you. I don't think it rain. 6. I have got some incredible news. You believe it? 22.3. Complete the sentences using will. Choose from the following. It be, she come, you get, you like, people live, it look, we meet, you pass. 1. Don't worry about your exam, I'm sure you will pass. 2. Why don't you try on this jacket? Nice on you. 3. You must meet Daniel sometime, I think him. 4. It is raining, don't go out wet. 5. Do you think longer in the future? 6. Bye, I'm sure again before long. 7. I've invited Anna to the party, but I don't think. 8. It takes me an hour to get to work at the moment, but when the new road is finished, much quicker. 22.4 Write questions using do you think will plus the following. Be back, cost, and get married happen like rain. 1. I have worked this picture for Karen. Do you think she'll like it? 2. The weather doesn't look very good, do you? 3. The meeting is still going on. When do you? 4. 3. The meeting is still going on. When do you? 4. My car needs to be repaired. How much? 5. Sally and David are in love. Do? 6. I'm going out now. Okay, what time? 7. The future situation is uncertain. What? 22.5 Where do you think you will be at these times? Write true sentences about yourself. Use I'll be, or I'll probably be, or I don't know where I'll be. 1. Next Monday evening at 7:45, I'll be at home, or I'll probably be at home, or I don't know where I'll be. 2. At 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. 3. At 10:30 tomorrow morning. 4. Next Saturday afternoon at 4:15. 5. This time next year. I will and I am going to. A. Future actions. Study the difference between will and be going to. Sarah is talking to Helen. A. Future actions. Study the difference between will and be going to. Sarah is talking to Helen. Sarah, Helen. Sarah. Let's have a party. Helen. That's a great idea. We'll invite lots of people. We use will to announce a new decision. The party is a new idea. Decision now, will, past, now, future. Later that day, Helen meets Dan. Helen, Dan. Sarah and I have decided to have a party. We are going to invite lots of people. We use we going to when we have already decided to do something. Helen had already decided to invite lots of people before she spoke to Dan. Decision before, past, now, future. Now we are going to. Compare. Gary phoned while you were out. Okay, I'll call him back. Gary phoned while you were out. Yes, I know. I'm going to call him back. Anna is in hospital. Oh, really? I didn't know. I'll go and visit her. Anna is in hospital. Yes, I know. I'm going to visit her this evening. B. Future happenings and situations predicting the future.